Hello, in today's quick tutorial I will show you how to change font on GoDaddy. So let's get started. When you are logged in your GoDaddy account, you will go of course to a website builder, and when you're on your website you wanna change your font, how your font is. You will go to the right corner to your themes, and you can find here the color, font and button pages. You will go to of course your font, and my primary font is Smoothly, and I have no secondary font. And of course you can click here and change your primary font what you want it to be. You can change bitter, cabin, everything you want. You can see and click on every font for each one and see what you want, what you like the best. And of course you can read them, you can see how they look, and when you click on them of course you will change that font and it will be like that. Of course you can change the secondary for every secondary thing that you have on your website, and it will be changed. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this very quick tutorial how to change font on GoDaddy. If you find this helpful and enjoyable, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions, you can ask us in the comments or visit our channel down below for any other tutorial. I hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye!